Hi! Do you have an Ipod Shuffle or JBL E50 headphones and lost the USB charging cable? Today I'll show you how to very easily make your own custom USB charging cable. For the JBL E50 or E40, you need a 2.5mm 4-pole jack, and for the Ipod Shuffle, you need a larger 3.5mm 4-pole jack. But the wiring is the same. The last jack pin is plus 5 volts, and the third pin is ground. To do this job, you'll need to ask your grandmother for some tools, a soldering iron, and some heat shrink tubing. Then, find an old USB cable. Any USB cable will work because the end of the cable will be cut off and replaced with the correct 4-pin jack. Cut off the USB cable end, straighten the cable, and slide the jack housing onto the cable. Carefully remove the cable's outer jacket, but do not damage the inner wires. This is the wiring diagram, and it'd have the same for USB to 3.5mm jack for the Ipod Shuffle and USB to 2.5mm jack for charging JBL headphones. Connect the cable power adapter and check the wires with a multimeter to find out which color is plus 5 volts and which is ground. In my case, as expected, the red wire is plus. Remove insulation from the plus wire and from the ground wire. Tin both wires and also tin the jack contacts. This makes soldering easier and improves the solder quality. Solder the plus wire and solder the ground wire to the correct contacts. Cut a piece of heat shrink tubing, stretch it bigger, and slide it over the cable. Press the cable in place using the jack clamp and slide the heat shrink tubing over it to secure everything. Take your grandmother's nail polish and apply a bit over the contacts to prevent short circuits in the future. Then add a super glue and screw the jack housing closed. Check the jack pins to make sure no short circuits were created while soldering. If everything is okay, connect the cable to the adapter and test if your new charging cable provides plus 5 volts. It works! Now I can charge my Ipod Shuffle or JBL headphones again. Then cut heat shrink tubing that is a bit smaller in diameter than the jack and a bit longer than the jack. Stretch it bigger so it fits over the jack housing. Add super glue where the cable enters the jack and apply the heat shrink tubing on the jack. It makes the cable look better and gives extra protection for the cable. And that's all. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it was helpful.